Hey guys, it's your trainer Chrissy Cello here, and I'm coming to you with an absolute killer of an ab challenge. For the next 10 days, I want you to perform this 6-minute, no equipment abs workout. You can do it in the comfort of your home and also tag your best friend so they can do it too. 10 days, 6 minutes, no equipment. Trust me when I say it's gonna leave your abs on fire. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and also leave this video a thumbs up if you love it. Trust me, it's gonna be intense. So without further ado, let's get into the workout.
This workout is 6 minutes long, 16 exercises, 8 supersets. A superset is where 2 exercises are combined and performed one after the other with little to no rest. Each exercise is 30 seconds long with a 10-second rest period. Let's do this. The first exercise we're starting with is cocoons. Please ensure your back is nice and comfortable on your mat. By doing this, you will ensure that you don't have any back injury going forward and that you are contracting your core much more. This workout is intense, so please do take your time. The aim of the game is to curl into a ball and then extend outwards just like so. Keep going, keep your back nice and flat on the floor. Moving on to opposite toe taps. You want to tap the opposite hand with the opposite foot. Make sure that you are pulling up with your core and not just raising your leg towards your hand. You want to lift with your core, contract, breathe in and taking your time as well. Laying flat on the ground and then raising yourself back up. Take a 10-second rest, make sure you grab some water and then just recover. It's time to now move on to superset number 2. Moving on to the second superset, we're starting off with reverse crunch. Make sure that you are raising your legs up, contracting your upper core before releasing your legs back down. The aim of the game is to contract your core and really lift as high as possible. As you can see, I'm also placing my hands underneath my bottom, and this is really helping me keep balance and control. Moving on to the next exercise, we have the scissors. This is going to leave your core on fire. So please do take your time and remember, do not feel disheartened if any of these exercises are too tough. Do as much as you can, take a little rest if you needs be, and come back to the exercise. Remember, this exercise is all about time under tension, so control, breathe, and move one leg after the other. Moving on to our third superset, and this is one of my favorite exercises. It is the leg raise. As you can see, I'm placing my hands underneath my bottom to give myself some more support. As you can also see, my back is completely flat on the ground. This is exactly what you want. So please avoid any arching or scooping of the back, as this can cause lower back injury. Moving on to the second part of this superset, we have flutter kicks, and this is probably one of the most difficult exercises, so bear with me. You are nearly there, I promise you. You are doing so well. This is all about time under tension, but as you can see, I'm supporting my upper body with my forearms, so make sure you are doing the same, and also always look forward. Moving on to our fourth superset, and we're moving into plank dips. The aim of the game here is to work those obliques. So as you can see right now, I'm controlling each movement as I'm rotating from each side. I'm keeping my neck neutral as well. I'm not looking too far up or too far down. I'm keeping everything in alignment as much as possible. Moving straight into heel touches, we're really keeping our focus on our obliques here. As you can see, I've paired the two exercises together to leave your obliques in absolute fire. Keep going. I know this is difficult, but we're halfway there, and I promise you, you are doing absolutely amazing. Do not give up. Keep on going. Moving on to our next superset. Okay, you might hate me with this, but I promise you it's going to be so worthwhile. As you bring your knees in, I want you to breathe out. As you bring your legs out, I want you to breathe in. Controlling each and every rep and taking your time with each movement. You do not need to rush this movement. Do what you feel is best. Moving on to side in and outs. Similar to in and outs, but this time we're adding a rotation, which will make it even more difficult. Your core will be in absolute fire now because we're doing two of the similar exercises together, but adding a little bit of a twist when we're doing side in and outs. This is going to burn, so keep on going and remember to take your time. If this is too much, slow it down and control each movement. The next superset is all about speed and agility. I've compromised two exercises that are yet again pretty similar, but they're going to really work on your stamina as well. The mountain climber and the reverse mountain climber. Ensure that each knee is coming forward, and as you can see, I'm not going too crazy here. I'm still taking my time and keeping everything in alignment. Moving on straight away to reverse mountain climber. The aim of the game is to get your opposite knee to your opposite elbow and crunch as hard as you can. As you can see here, I'm not going too crazy. I'm taking my time and I'm really controlling each and every single rep. By this time, I was in absolute bits. So keep on going. Trust me when I say I know this is difficult, but you can and you will do it. We are nearly there, team. We are nearly at the finish line. The plank is probably something we all hate, but I promise it's so amazing for your stability and core function. As you can see, everything is in alignment to my shoulders and my elbows. I'm keeping my neck nice and neutral. I'm tucking my coccyx bone in and I'm contracting my core. Push through it, you're nearly there. Moving on to plank arm outs. Now this is all about core stability yet again, so try and keep your core as tight as possible by contracting and make sure that you are breathing. I am rotating a little bit too much here, so try and slow the movement down, but I'm going to be honest, by this time I just really wanted the workout to end, but I had to push through and do the best I could. This is just as challenging for me as it will be for you, so keep on going. I am so proud of you. So there we have it, guys. You have absolutely smashed it. I'm so proud. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and I'll see you tomorrow to repeat this workout again.